All right, guys, it's been a while. You know, I've been down with my hand. It still ain't right. I'm going to the doctor this week to see what I can do about that. Y'all know I've been ranting and raving about that Walter Soros Pro Jig. We about to put that sucker to the test. I'm gonna go ahead and grind that machete I'm doing from my brother Johnny using the jig. So y'all come on around for that. I'm sure it's gonna be interesting at the very least. The fuck was that? Line out. I'm using an 80 grit Cubicon. Pretty badass. right, guys, there you have it. I'm not gonna sit here and make y'all watch the whole thing, but you see that it is working.